And what I can say, grabe, the company is big, very stable, they are in the top 30 companies here in China na talagang enlisted as well, no? Ang laki lang niya. So they are focused on living life healthy, at the same time enjoying life. Yun yung core values ng company. Grabe, ang ginaw, no? 5 degrees, mga kababayan, 5 degrees. Ayan, look at this is another part of the company, no? Ito yung isang part. Ayan. So dito talagang per station may dito every summer may nagaganap na mga musical events and everything, no? Tapos every 8:30 meron silang welcoming program every day. And I also show you pictures ng mga tao and videos, no? Dun sa seminar hall. How big it is, no? And we also visited the convention. Grabe lang.